In this video, we're going to show you how to make screen angle adjustments on your Pioneer AVH-3300NEX. Now the 3300NEX is unique because it has the fully motorized screen, and there are a number of different ways that you can operate the screen. And the reason that there are so many different ways to operate the screen is because there are many different installations. You may have to deal with a shifter in the way of the screen, or you may have to deal with vents, or air conditioning and heating vents behind the screen, or possibly ventilation controls behind the screen. There's a lot of different things that you may have to deal with your installation. And so the screen is very flexible in its design. So to open and close the screen, you just touch the open and close button right here. Touching it one time will close the screen. Touching it one more time will open the screen. And the system is fully functional with the screen opened or closed. Now, when the screen opened, you saw that it came out and stayed out. We can make some adjustments to that. So we're going to press and hold the open and close button for a couple of seconds. When we do that, we get the screen adjustments up here. Now, if I want to half close the screen, because I want to make some adjustments behind the screen, just touch here. This will close the screen halfway, but not retract it into the system. And if we wait a few seconds, the system will count down to from 3. Beep 3 times, and then it will reopen the screen. That's done automatically. I can also reopen the screen by touching that same button. Also, as adjustments here, I can set back or pull forward the screen. So right now when the screen opened, it's all the way in its forward position. If I touch this button, the screen will set back, and we can bring it forward again. So let's set the screen back, and we'll leave it that way, and we are going to turn off the system. So turn off the vehicle. So now let's simulate turning off the vehicle. Now you'll see that the screen is going to close. And when I come back to the vehicle, I'm going to start it up again. And the system will power up, the screen will fully open, and then retract. So now let's make a couple of more adjustments. I'm going to press and hold the open close button. That brings up my adjustment screen, and now I can make some adjustments for my viewing angle. This will bring the viewing angle forward. And I have a ton of different angle options here, and I can push it back. And you'll see I can go far past vertical in taking it back, and we'll bring it forward a little. So right there is where I like to have the screen. I'm going to stop messing with it, and I am going to now shut the vehicle off. The screen is going to close. And now I'll start the vehicle again. The screen will open. It will take its proper position and set back for me. So some question comes up is, does the screen have to open every time I start the vehicle? Well, the answer is no. Let's close the screen. So the screen is closed, but you can still see the illumination down here. So the system is completely active, and I have access to many different functions of the system. And now I'm going to shut the system off. So the screen was closed when I shut the system off, and you can see the illumination is out now. Now we are going to start the car up again, start the vehicle up. You're going to see that the system will power up. So here you can see the illumination has come up on the screen, and whatever source that I had playing when I closed the screen is the source that will continue to play now, but the screen remains closed. This is very useful if you have a shifter or some other part of the vehicle that's in the way of the screen every time you start the vehicle. Now, if I put the vehicle in drive, it's very possible that that shifter has been moved out of the way, and I can open the screen. And the screen will take the last position where I set it. The AVH-3300NEX has a detachable panel. The buttons right here in the middle are a detachable panel for security. In order to detach the panel, start on the right-hand side and just pop the panel off in your hand. If you ever need to reset the microprocessor of the AVH-3300NEX, use this button right here. Touch it with a paper clip. To reattach the detachable face, I'm going to line up this tab right here with a tab here on the left. So insert the left-hand side of the face first and snap the right part into place. And you'll see that the system will power up.